In the video you all just watched, you got to learn about sound and sound sources and receivers. So really quick, I just wanted to explain. Sound sources are where sounds start, and a receiver is what catches the vibrations. And so, for example, in the video, there was a stereo playing music really loud. That is the sound source. That's where the sound is coming from the stereo, from the radio. The receiver would be the boy in the video, his ears, because he could hear the music. The vibrations were making their way to his ear and he could hear it. So the sound source was the radio or the stereo, and his ears were the receiver, the sound receiver. So today for you guys, for your assignment, there are going to be pictures on a Google form, and I want you to think about, is that picture the sound source, where it starts, or is it the receiver, where the sound ends up?